Hello, Big Poppa here. Listen, I'm going to make some pork chops today. I'm going to cook them on the BPS drum, stainless drum, which is really cool. We're going to cook it slowly and then we're going to sear it. But what's really fun is we're going to serve it on a bed of homemade applesauce. But not just any applesauce, little Jack Daniel's applesauce. We're going to use some BPS competition stash. I'm going to peel and slice some apples. I'll put them in a bowl with some water. I have some lemon. I have some cinnamon. I have some dark brown sugar, 1/4 cup, and some butter. So that's how I'm gonna make the applesauce. So I'm gonna start by making the applesauce and then we'll work on the pork. Slice up a 1/2 cube of butter till we'll get this melted. I think we're ready. I'll fill it with some lemon juice. Lemon's gonna be our acid for this. I'm gonna kind of squeeze it so I get a lot of it on there because it'll keep them from getting brown. Just about 3 ounces apple juice, 2-3 ounces. We're gonna hit it with some stash. It's gonna give them just a little savory vibe. There's a little heat to it and a little sweet. A pinch of cinnamon. Got the brown sugar. Now we're gonna hit it with some Jack Daniel's. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Take a while to cook it down. There's some apple sauce. Doesn't taste much like bourbon, so I'm gonna just give it a little bit more. There we go. Now this is the finishing touches. These are the things you can do. Let's make some pork. Not any pork, Chairman's pork. Let's take this roast. It's beautiful, it's Frenched, just awesome. Come in here and clean it up just a little. Pretty well trimmed. I'm just getting some of this extra fat off. Do a kind of center cut here. Come in here. Somebody's gonna have to be hungry here because this is a double cut. Beautiful Chairman's. It's a great color. It's got nice striations. It's just wonderful. Take my sweet money. Woohoo! Sweet money. Got some beautiful sea salt. Got some honey bonded sugar. It's got some chilies. It's got some pepper, some salt, a whole bunch of stuff. It's won probably more world championships than any rub over the last 12 years. Now we're gonna go around the edge. We're gonna put the bone side towards the fire basket because we don't want the fat to burn. We don't mind if we use the bone as insulation. So we're gonna cook this for about 15 minutes. We're gonna come out, we're gonna flip it again, and we should be ready by then. Big Poppa's Jack Daniel's applesauce with competition stash, Chairman's Reserve double cut pork chop, cooked on the BPS drum, sweet money. Get some of this action here. I'm very happy.